All right, my name is Coach Braddy, and I'm the athletic director at Woodland Middle School. I teach PE, and I'm the athletic director. And the athletic director, that's a lot of work. I'm always at every home game, whether it's basketball, wrestling, football, volleyball, you name it, I'm here. And I have to set up a concession stand. I'm in charge of making money because I have to make money to make sure that we can pay all the bills for the different teams. We have referees, like for basketball, $2,000 for the refs to come. Volleyball, we just got a referee bill, $778. So I'm in charge of making money and making sure that the teams get where they're supposed to be. We got uniforms and all that kind of stuff. Just I guess seeing kids make three-pointers and being successful in sports. When our teams do well, that's always good. So, just seeing them grow. Like when our girls started, our 7th grade girls team, basketball team a couple years ago, they started out, they didn't have a whole lot of experience, but with Coach Johnson, he sort of built them up. They did pretty good in 7th grade, and then by the time they became 8th graders, they played for the championship. And that's the kind of things I like to see is growth and, people buying into the program and working hard and doing well. I love it. This is the gym floor is this is the way it looked when the school was built in 2006. Over the years, the way they did this, they came in and they sanded it down to nothing but wood. All the lines, all the wolf head we had in the middle, it's all gone. So it's just down to wood, and then they sort of built it back up. They repainted it, varnished it, and this is the way that it took it back to its original, the way it looked when the school was built in 2006. So I tell everybody, if you want to see the difference, right at the edge of the bleachers there is a spot where the company, they don't do the underneath the bleachers, so you can see the floor the way it is now and the way it was and how much better it looks now. Well, it's a coat of varnish on top, so they sand it down, paint it, and then they put varnish on it, which is it sort of seals the wood and it protects the wood, and that's what makes it smell. I don't know the exact brand or anything, but it's just a varnish, and it has a little bit of turpentine or something, and that's what makes it smell that way. Well, I missed the wolf head that was in the middle. That was a custom-made wolf head. There's a man named Stacy Ridgway that he did a lot of work in all of the schools around here, DeKalb, the school I was at before, and here. And he did that, before the school opened. And it's kind of special to have a custom-made thing. It's $2,000 or $3,000 that we had to pay for it, and they took that sander and it just made it disappear. So, but that's the one thing I would change. Everything else is beautiful. Yeah, they say it's like $20,000 to do it, to redo it. That's why we only get it done like once every 10 or 12 years, because that's a lot of money for, cleaning the floor is really what they're doing.